Of course, Elon is not just busy with Tesla. He's also got the Boring Company going on. And he shared an image on his Twitter recently of what the new tunnel they've been working on in Las Vegas is going to or could look like. And it's a pretty stunning look as far as I'm concerned. It's an incredible image. Of course, I've been to Las Vegas specifically to get to the convention center for CES way too many times in my life, probably 7 or 8 times total. And it's always the biggest trouble, it's the hardest part of the experience is finding a way to get to the convention center from the variety of hotels that are on the strip there. And the traffic's crazy because it's a convention, is 100,000 people, whatever it is, trying to get back and forth at the same times every day. And so they do have this kind of monorail vehicle above ground, which is a relatively recent piece that they added for transportation. But a lot of people still use taxis that pick you up at the front. They're a little easier to get to and all obviously accessible for all hotels, not just a handful. Well, this tunnel that the Boring Company's been working on has appears to be, or the premise is that it'll be a solution to all these problems, bringing people back and forth to the convention center from this variety of hotels and doing so in an efficient, more futuristic manner. And of course, allowing Elon to test some of his concepts around these tunnel ideas. Because, I mean, boring tunnels is difficult, time-consuming, expensive stuff. The 2 tunnels are designed to take 4,400 attendees per hour in one of 2 directions over a distance of nearly a mile. It's part of the Las Vegas Convention Center project to essentially solve the problem that I was suggesting earlier. That's a lot of attendees per hour. There's no problem anymore if it can really move that number of people. The work is part of a planned redevelopment of the center, and the tunnels are expected to be ready for the annual Consumer Electronics Show early next year.
Oh.
So it's actually not taking that long either. They've made some serious progress over there in Vegas. I know Vegas desperately wants visitors to come back, and they're going to need some reason to do so. I feel like they could attract the tech crowd just to report on the tunnel.
Oh, yeah.
We would get enough people out to check out the tunnel, never mind the convention center, and whoever's at the convention center showing off whatever they're showing off.
Yeah.
It's going to be a big attraction. The vehicle, designed in combination with Tesla and revealed in a report last month that it's going to be inside the facility here, the tunnel, is going to be a type of minibus that will move 12 people and luggage at once. It's not going to look similar to the concept art that came out in 2017. That's all super futuristic glass and everything. They have to have people seated for the speed of travel because, a big component with these tunnels is tremendous speed that they want to travel at. So pretty cool stuff, cool development. You're bringing up the original video, which got people going crazy over the Boring Company in general. This idea of moving beneath the city traffic. Nobody wants to sit in traffic, and everyone wants to travel 200 kilometers an hour, if possible, as you're seeing right over here. That was the original bus, the promo. That's not what it's going to look like, but maybe it'll be something close. I'm sure it's going to be somewhat futuristic.